Trevor here with Kelowna BMW, and today I'm going to kind of give you guys a quick run through of our electronic parking brake and auto hold. So a couple of features that are new in the newer vehicles. Instead of the old-fashioned handbrake, you actually have an electronic one. So I'm going to start off with that first, folks. Your parking brake, it's really simple how to use it. You just got to have your foot on your brake itself every time you want to engage or disengage it. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake down there, and just think of it like the traditional e-brakes. When you want to turn it on, you pull up. When you want it off, you push it down. So it's the same concept here. Lift it up. When that's illuminated, that means that your parking brake is on, and then you can just turn it off. Just make sure that your foot's always on the brake pedal to do that. So that's pretty much a quick and easy rundown of your electronic parking brake. Now, lots of people don't know what auto H is. Auto H is auto hold, so very short for auto hold. Basically, what auto hold does is it's really nice for when you're in traffic. Say you're in a very condensed area and you don't want to put pressure on the brake pedal anymore. The vehicle will actually hold itself until you disengage it by pushing the gas. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what it does here. So we're going to drive forward slowly with the vehicle in gear. Drive forward just like this, very slow, and then I'm going to hold it. So just like this. Foot's off the brake, I'm holding it, so very cool. I'm going to go forward again here. Now I'm going to hold it. Foot's off the brake again. So it holds it, really cool, and then it's going to disengage just by tapping that gas pedal. So we'll do it one more time and it holds. So not going anywhere. Then I'm going to turn this off, and as soon as I let go of the brake, we're going to start moving again, as you can see. So that's the difference between auto hold on and auto hold off. Personally, I like to use auto hold because I like to stretch out my legs once in a while. So it's really nice for when you're in condensed traffic. It is a really neat feature that BMW has, and I encourage you guys to use it, give it a try, and see how you like it. Thanks, folks.